Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. So today I would like to present how we can automate our social media content and also create some unique and SEO friendly content using the AI. So my name is Jay Patel and today I will teach you how we can do that in just 30 minutes. So let's get started. So why automation? Like why we need to use our AI tool to automate our content and generate content using the AI. It's not only save a lot of time, but also help us to make the content SEO friendly so it will rank on the YouTube or maybe Instagram or like social media platform. Also, it's boost the consistency and it's free for you for the creativity. It also provide different kinds of content relating to the trending trends, and also it's a help to scheduling our content. What are the challenges people are facing when they are try to automate their content creation? So first of all, the content creation equal to time consuming. If you don't use AI, then you need to hire maybe a one or two more people who just write down the content and one more people to edit the content. So yeah, so you need to spend more money on that one. But now by using AI, you can do that thing in just 20 to 30 minutes. Second one is scheduling across multiple platform. Yeah, that's also frustrating. Like when you schedule your content each and every day by visiting each and every platform. So it's more consume time. It's not only time consuming, but also frustrating for us. Third one is staying relevant equal to requires daily effort. So you also need to watch which topic is currently trending and you need to create content according to that, so it's also require daily effort, but by using AI you can do that kind of thing in just 30 minutes. So let's jump on the next. The solution: AI power workflow. First of all, you need to use the ChatGPT, Jasper, Cloud to generate ideas. Then for the designing visual, you can use Canva AI or the new AI. The name of that AI is Nano Banana, powered by Google AI Studio. You can also use that one. Then writing a caption is bit complicated, but you can use also a ChatGPT and Jasper for that because ChatGPT is giving more relevant keywords as well as captions related to their trends and like that. Fourth one is optimize posting time. Like the for that one, you can use a buffer and social BI tool, which is free. So you can use that one also. And fifth one is schedule 7 days content in just one session. Like in just 30 minutes, you can schedule 7 days of content using these different kinds of AI. In the last, I will show you one AI tool that is free, like it's provide a 7 day free for the 7 days. So I will show that one also in the practical tools overview. We will use a ChatGPT and Jasper to generate caption and post ideas, then Canva AI for the auto generation design, Buffer Social B to just schedule and analyze our content as well as schedule our content to multiple platform at the same time. And optional, like we can also use the Notion and the Google Sheet to content calendar. Like we just need to connect our Google Sheet to a particular AI. I will show you that one on the later slide. with the practical example, like how we can connect our Google Sheet and we can fetch the data using a AI tool. Key benefits. So key benefit is consistency without burnout. Also, it's provide better engagement and it helps R to grow our brand in just few amount of times, and we can reach to the more people by using AI tool. Free time for the creativity, like you can use that particular amount of time to spend on other things, like uh, to generate a 7-day content it's require only 30 minutes, so the rest of the day you can spend on the other things to do. Also it's scalable for multiple accounts, like this kind of AI tools. Currently this kind of AI tools give more different kinds of or generate different kinds of content relating to the trends or related to your particular brand and like that. So it's more chances to grow on multiple platform by using AI tool. So let's jump onto the real practical example. So I will I already provided the link of this particular AI in our handbook, so you can just click on that particular link and you just need to register your account. So first of all, I give you the overview of this AI tool. The name of this AI tool is Assista. It helps us to automate different kinds of thing. Like we can also connect different kind of uh, social media platform on with this particular AI tool, like the LinkedIn, Reddit, HubSpot, GitHub, Discord, then the email, Google Calendar, Google Sheet. There are various kind of platform available. You can create that one, connect that one, and automate all the things. So currently, I just connected the Google Sheet, and I already have one prompt. So let me copy paste that one. So I just copy this that particular prompt, like you can it's I generated prompt for the to fetch different kinds of AI related technology news from the Reddit, and that particular all the data fetch from the Reddit and paste into the Google Sheet. I already connected that one. So let's run. It takes few minutes of time. Just wait. In the meantime, I will show you something else. Like I already generated the deadlines, 7 days of content for the copies of using the AI tool. Like it's I generated this all the content using the ChatGPT and the Jasper AI. So first of all, it's give me the pillar, like what the particular goal of the content for that particular day. Like day one, we are posting a content for the value, then BTS value, social proof, promo, community, and at the end of the day, we will post content related to the shop CTA. Then also ChatGPT generated the SEO friendly headlines, captions, visual prompts, and hashtag also, which will help us to reach out to more people on different kinds of social media platform. I already shared this particular document uh, with the handbook, so you can also access this document from there. And I also provided the step-by-step guidance, like how you can generate the content using ChatGPT and different kinds of AI. So you can just need to follow that step, and you will able to generate the content, social media content, and automate uh, for the particular platform. So yeah, Assista is the fetch the latest AI related from the upload from Google Sheet. Currently, I don't see a right integration practice. So could you generate content using the access the AI? Let still it's generating content. So just wait for a few minutes. Instead of the Reddit, you can use the Google, because if you use the Reddit, then you need to put the API key here. Like I already put the API key, but I don't know what's happening with that. So I would suggest you to use Google to fetch the data. So I already generated the content. Let me get back to the pack. Let's go to the here. So our ancestor server is down. I don't know why, but I just gave another prompt like generate or fetch the AI technology related news from the internet, and send it to this particular email. But I forgot to connect, so that's why I write down the email address here. But now I connected my email, so it's automatically send me an email about the latest technology. Let's see the email. So I already got the email, like we can see that here. Uh, that particular AI already sent it me an email uh, by generating the by fetching the AI technology related news with the source link. So we can use this AI to automate our daily life routine, or we can post content creation automation. Like if you need to put the daily content on the LinkedIn, then I have already generated a prompt. I provided that in the handbook, so you will copy paste that particular prompt from there and just paste it here, and you can automate your LinkedIn post for next 7 days or for the month or something like that. Also, this particular AI tool provide the template, ready-made template. You just need to connect your Gmail and a particular API, and you can also customize this all the template according to your preference. So I would suggest you to use this one. And if you want a free, then you go with the another tool that I cover on the another topic on the 11. So you can use that particular tool also, like the Candly and many more. But this one is pretty good. It's provides 7 days free trial. After that, you just need to purchase that particular premium. So let's get back to the presentation. So that's all for the today. Thank you so much for having me. I know You can use this all the AIs to automate your content creation journey and get more to reach out to more people. So AI doesn't replace creativity, it's powers. Thank you so much again. Bye bye, guys.